Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can move or sync contacts to your Google account on your iPhone. So, you can go ahead and simply start by opening Settings app on your iPhone. Inside here, scroll down until you find Apps, tap onto it. Scroll down again, then tap on Contacts. And inside here, simply select Contact Accounts. And now inside here, simply tap on Add Account. Go ahead and simply select Google and you'll be asked to sign in with your Gmail or Google account. Enter the email and password, then allow access when prompted. So once you've added your Google account, you'll be able to find it right over here. Simply tap onto it. And inside here, you need to make sure contact toggle is toggled on. Tap on login. And this means your iPhone will automatically sync your contacts to your Google account and any changes you make will stay updated across devices. If you want all new contacts you add on your iPhone to automatically save to Google, head back to Settings and then tap on Contacts, scroll below, then tap on Default Account and inside here simply select Gmail. That way, any new contact you create will go straight to your Google account and not just your iPhone. To confirm it works, you can go ahead and simply open up your browser on your computer or phone and visit contacts.google.com. You should now see all of your iPhone contacts listed there. And that's it. You have now synced your iPhone contacts with your Google account. They are backed up, synced, and ready to access on any devices where you sign in with your Gmail account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.